In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change your windshield wiper blades on a 2017 to 2022 Honda CR-V. You'll see a little button on the back of the wiper blade. Just push it down, and while doing that, you're going to push the windshield wiper also down. The size of the blade on the driver's side is 26 inches. You'll see a little gap on the blade where the hook goes into it. As soon as the hook goes into it, you will hear a little click. That's how you know it's secure in. This is a little protective cover. It's not on all blades, but if it's on yours, you just push it down. On the passenger side, it's the same technique. You push down the little button, and while doing that, you push down the blade. Same as the driver's side, you just push it in, and as soon as you hear a click, that's how you know it's in. I use a size 26 inch and a 16 inch for the blades, but going an inch more or inch less doesn't really make a big of a difference.